Buenos Aires, everyone. We are at the Palermo Zoo. It's a Saturday afternoon, about 2 o'clock, and it's pretty hot out. It's about 82 degrees. And as soon as you walk in the park, or the zoo, I should say, it's a nice little lake, man-made lake here. And one thing to note is that the zoo is free, which is great. And it looks like from the map that it's a pretty decent size. So I'm excited to see what animals they have all inside of here. And then the backdrop is pretty cool with like all of the nice apartment buildings in Palermo surrounding the park. It's really beautiful. It's kind of like if you've ever been to Chicago and they have Lincoln Park Zoo, which is free, at least it used to be, I'm not sure anymore. But it's like right near the lake and nice and beautiful apartment buildings surrounding it. So kind of reminds me of that vibe a little bit. But yeah, let's take a look. So there's tons of like little bitty fish that's inside this water here. And we picked a good day because after tomorrow it's gonna rain like 4 days straight. So it's like 70% chance Monday through Thursday. So it's either today or tomorrow that we're gonna have a chance to go and enjoy the park or the zoo. No, I keep saying park, but yeah. We wanted to have a day that's dedicated for baby Jen to do something. Oh, here's a duck. Do something for him, because recently we've been doing a lot of like adult tour things that he's not really that interested in, but this is something he should enjoy. But he used to go to the zoo a lot back in New York. We had the yearly pass, and he could go to all the zoos in New York, the Bronx, Brooklyn, Queens, Manhattan. Looks so he's based like the ducks that we had that we bought in Ecuador. When they get bigger, they kind of look like this. So this zoo's pretty cool. It's like a lot of free animals just roaming around here. I forgot the name of these, but I've seen these in the zoo. Oh, sleep already, dude? And you have some more over there as well. If you guys know the name of this animal, put it in the comments. So just came across a hummingbird. I'm gonna see if I can get him in the frame. Nope, he flew away. But I got him on my phone, so I'll show it. And look at this bird. This is pretty cool. I haven't seen this one before. It's a couple of them. This place has a lot of birds just roaming around free and little animals. We haven't seen like an actual exhibit of like a tiger or anything. Yeah, I know they have something like that here, but so far it's just a bunch of kind of like free roaming birds and ducks and stuff. And it looks like the lady over here has like an owl or a hawk or something on her arm.
Mucha gente que lo tiene como mascotas a sus animales quizás solo le da carne picada, muchos necesitan del pelo, necesitan de los huesos, necesitan de los órganos, necesitan comer todo eso para...
porque no como carroñero.
Él es el carroñero.
Nada, tiene todo un entrenamiento con eso, además de que como la criaron personas, no se sabe defender por sí misma, no sabe cazar, no sabe nada.
Claro.
Está muy acostumbrada, claro, está muy acostumbrada. Y bueno, no te hace nada.
Ostrich, I think looks like. And we have some flamingos back here. So it looks like we're finally gonna come up on some animals here. I saw some giraffes walking. Because what I've noticed that there's nothing that says Zoo, Palermo Zoo, like it does on Google Map. Everything, all the signs here say Echo Park. So I think something has changed. So that's why we haven't seen any animals, only just like a few birds and those little brown animals kind of walking around freely. There's an ostrich here. And then you can see a couple of giraffes, but that's really it. And we've walked to pretty much to the end of the park. We're on the other side now, but hopefully we will see something else. But you can see here, there's one giraffe and then there's one more back there. Hippopotamus. It's like a small area for one, but so that's going to wrap it up for the Echo Park. Since it's not actually a zoo and didn't have many animals, we just walked around the whole entire thing. The only thing we saw basically was like the ostriches and the hippo, the one hippo, and then the two giraffes. Everything else was just like birds and stuff or whatever, which is pretty cool. It's still a really nice park to come to, and the fact that it's free is awesome. You know, you can just walk around, enjoy the scenery. It's very beautifully landscaped. So I still recommend coming in and enjoying it, whether it's a couple or by yourself, just to kind of get away to get some quietness, or you had kids that can run around, chase the ducks. It's pretty cool, but just not, I guess, what I was expecting when I saw Google Maps. So Olivia did say there's another zoo that's like outside of the city, so I'll probably check into that. Maybe one weekend we'll go there. So we want to just head to the next spot. The good thing about this location is kind of like a triangle of things where you have as well two parks, and one is a Japanese garden. So we're gonna head to maybe that one. And then there's another garden that's right next to it as well. Forgot the name of it, but it's very beautiful. So maybe we'll do two, since we didn't spend that much time in here like we thought we would initially. So yeah, let's check that out. All right, coming to get some fresh juice. Tina, who were they? Mango?
Mango no me quedó.
No. Frutisha?
Frutilla sí, banana, ananá,
Mora?
naranja.
I got an apple juice. Not sure why it's kind of orange color, but whatever. And Olivia has like a mixed fruit juice. Let's test it out. Oh my God, so good. It's about $4 each. A little bit more expensive, or twice as more expensive than what we paid in the past, like in Ecuador for fresh juice. We figured we'll stop here first before we go to the Japanese garden or the other park.